Hey there, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to enable Secure DNS in Google Chrome on Android phone. The trick is pretty simple. First, open Google Chrome application from your mobile phone. There is a three-dot button in the top right corner. Tap on it. Scroll down, you'll find settings. Tap on settings. Scroll down again. You'll find privacy and security. Tap on it. In the security section, you will find use Secure DNS. Tap on it. Use Secure DNS determines how to connect to a website over a secure connection. There is a toggle switch. Make sure this switch is turned on. By enabling Secure DNS, your information will be protected on internet. Otherwise, your information may be compromised by third party, even hackers. So make sure this toggle switch is turned on. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.